This was the Watford elementary lesson. We've done 2 lessons now about the past. The first lesson was all looking at the verb to be, just one verb. I am, I was, you are, you were. I am not, I was not, you are, you were not, you are not. We were looking at this last week just to make sure we can do present positive, past positive, present negative, past negative. And then we did some examples like, today I am happy, yesterday I was not happy. What other examples did we do? Do you remember any of the other examples? Oh yes, today I am tired. No, you said, today I am so tired, yesterday I was so tired. I really like that, very funny. Okay, so that was just the verb to be. Now we need to start looking at lots of other verbs. Now you wrote down lots of verbs. Ivana, you wrote a really good list of verbs here.
Thank you.
Lots of verbs. And everybody wrote very good verbs. Great work. Then we had to look at what verbs are regular verbs and what verbs are irregular. So I told you this. I just wrote down that the ones with the R are regular verbs. And these are the ones where we were looking at the new rules. Rules for regular verbs. And here they are listed here. As you can see, when you change a regular verb from present to past, you normally just add ed, or if it already ends with e, you just add d. But here are some extra rules for you to learn about the y. If it ends in a consonant and a y, you have to take away the y and add ied. If it ends with a vowel and y, you just add ed. And of course the other rule about doubling. If it ends with consonant, vowel, consonant, you have to double the last letter and add ed. Here was a good example. Stop ends in a consonant, vowel, consonant, and we had to double the letter before we added ed. And then we did our first exercise. Our first exercise, here it is. As you can see, most verbs end with ed. Some of them end with d, but some of them you have to change. You have to take away the y and add ied. And of course, some of them are these ones where it ends consonant, vowel, consonant, where you have to double. This one here, and travel, to travelled. So this is what we've done so far. What I want you to do for homework is to look at the other regular verbs that are here and write them in the past. I will say them for you now, and then you can copy them from here and write them in the past for homework. So here we've got bake and cook, change, count and listen. 5 verbs. I want you for homework to write them in the present and the past. You can watch this video, and you can watch the video at home with your daughter if you want to, and then write them in the present and write them in the past. Sometimes it's good to do these lessons with your family. Sometimes it's good to do that, especially your children, because they're so clever. Here are a few here. Watch, clean, wash, talk, hoover, work, kick, look, walk, and I think that's about it. All the others we've done. So if you get a chance to watch the video, write the words down that I've just said in the present and then write them in the past. Well done today. Good work.